All right, guys, we got 5 minutes. So my name is Mr. Vera. We are going to do some posterizing. I'm not going to give you the down and dirty on how to erase and do all the background, but I would say you should already know how to do that. If you don't, go back to the other projects, look up how to erase, selecting background and erasing backgrounds. I would say choose an image that has a very simple background. You don't want to get into messing around with multicolored backgrounds. It does get complicated to try to erase it. I chose this image. It's a copyrighted free image, so I'm able to use it without worry. Okay, you should search up images that do the exact same thing. Copyright free images. Okay, what does the original look like? I'll show you. Here is the original next to the image that's been, the background's been erased. Okay, now we are going to go into posterizing. How do we do that? Well, Pixlr E has made it very easy for us to do that simply under the adjustment tool, Posterize. Cool part is I can use the slide bar to decide how much posterizing I want to do. Okay, now as crazy as it is, if I push it all the way to the end, you don't even notice it. You need to stay back. Here is where the colors change. Now, if you like what you have, you can check it versus the original just by using the compare button. You hold it down, it'll show you the original versus what you've done. If you don't like it, use the slide bar, go a little bit deeper. I like that one, so I'm going to click apply. Now, you have the opportunity to go in and play with individual colors. Under the adjustment tool, there's all kinds of things that you can play around with. You can do lookups, you can do this. You want to go blues or greens and yellows, whatever it is that you want to play around. Now, the cool part is you can say how much blue or how much yellow just by sliding bar out and in. Okay. So you don't like blues. You want reds or light reds or greens or whatever. Or you don't want any of it at all. You just click cancel. I want to keep it to the poster. What you can do is go to curves. This is where it lets you play around with the individual colors. How much white do you want? You want a lot or a little? A lot or just a little bit? You can do red. You want a lot or a little? If I don't want any, go below the line. If I want a lot, I stay above the line. Okay, if I want just a tiny bit, and slide how much? Red, we're going to infuse. Okay, we're going to put it up here. Go to yellow. I don't want a lot of yellow, so I'm going to double click down. And I'm going to bring this back up. You see the more red is popping up. Okay, I wanted to go more. Stay right in here. Okay, I like it a little bit darker, so I'm going to keep it around here. And then lastly, the blue. Do I want less or do I want more? Okay, I like the differentiation, so I'm going to keep it right around in here. So there's a little bit of blue, and I'm going to click apply. If I want to check it, go there and here. Apply it, you posterize. Put a background on it. How do I do that? Well, I'm going to say add a simple color, or you can add an image. It's up to you. Add a layer. I'm just going to choose empty layer because I'm just going to make it one complete color. You can choose a color down here and then use the slide bar, choose this, slide it around. I like the green, so I'm going to add that. And then just use the fill tool, pop it on there. Where'd it go? Switch to layers. Go up to background, choose merge down. Now you have one image. Now you can save it and give it your final. This is your summative posterizer. Quick download and save it. And that's posterizing in a short, sweet, and easy setup.